Hi, and welcome to the third episode of the Learn Korean in 30 Days challenge. Today is day three of the challenge. As you can guess, I have barely started by learning some vowels and consonants, and today I am trying to learn the Hangul for the remaining sounds, which are the compound the combined vowels and the double consonants. Today, I am going to learn the so-called combined vowels and double consonants and practice the writing. And also, I will learn some new words. If I'm not mistaken, about 20 words. And at the end, I will complete the lesson with a three-part quiz. So stick around, and if you want, you can learn with me. In chapter one, I learned about the 10 basic vowels. Now I will study Hangul's remaining vowels, the 11 combined vowels, which are formed by combinations of basic vowels. Each vowel has its own sound value, but some are very hard to differentiate in actual pronunciation. Okay, let's see. There is no practical difference in pronunciation between and between we and we. Okay, so the sounds, the combined vowels are ye, ye, wa, we, wa, we, and uy. All right. Okay. So let's practice by writing each combined vowel 3 times. First, there is e. Okay. E. E. Then there's ye. Yeah. Yeah. Then there's e. 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 Yeah. 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 Wa. 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 Okay. We go on. Continue with where. 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 Not much of a difference. Where. Oi. Okay, and then we have wa. 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 All right. And we. Just like the French, yes. So we, we, and we. Okay. Next, I will try reading the double consonants. Hangul has a total of 19 consonants. 14 of them are basic consonants. And there's the additional 5 double consonants. And the double consonants are formed by combinations of basic consonants. And they are all tensed sounds pronounced with tension in the tongue muscle. All right, so let's see the double consonants. Okay, they are tense. So, g, 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 d, d, b, b, s, s, ch, ch. They are pronounced with no plosion of air or tension. G, d, b, s, ch. Then there are the aspirated consonants. K, t, p, ch. One more time. K, t, p, ch. And the tensed consonants. All right, let's see. G, d, b, s, ch. All right. In what follows, I'm going to read the words and practice writing each one of them 3 times. Okay, so let's see. We start with a pe, meaning pear, pe, 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 pe. All right, and then we have que, 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 que. All right. Bird, se, se, se. Yegi, 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 yegi. Sorry. Yegi. Okay. Then there's ke, ke, crab. Ke sounds very similar to dog, ke, but this one's closed. Ke, ke. Okay. And then an English word, or a word of English origin, camera. 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 Right, camera. Then we go on with chada. That's a verb. Okay, meaning salty. Chada. 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 Okay. 쓰레기, trash. Okay. 쓰레기, 쓰레기, 쓰레기. Garbage, trash. Okay. All right. And then there is toki, right? Toki, toki. All right, toki. Next word, shige, 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 shige. Okay, then there is sagwa, apple, sagwa, 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 sagwa. Right, and then there is kwaja, meaning cookie. Kwaja, 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 kwaja. Chige, chige, chige. Please write in the comments if you think my pronunciation is wrong or correct. Chige, chige. Sorry, chige, chige. Okay, puri, root, puri, root, puri, root, puri. And then, nice, cute little piglet, tweji, 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 tweji. Okay, 5 more words. Qui, ear. Qui, All right, mouse. Tree, And then there is scissors. Kawi, 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 kawi. Okay. All right. And we have doctor, as in Lisa, Isa, Isa, Isa. And last but not least, chair, Uija, 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 Uija. Slowly, I have come to the end of lesson 3. And what's left for me to do is the quiz. Um, okay, I see that exercise 1 is about reading. So I'm going to read it. Puri, as in root, if I'm not mistaken. All right. Kokiri, kokiri, kokiri. All right. Suregi, suregi, as in trash. Kemi, kemi. All right. K was dog. Kemi, what is kemi? I don't know. All right. Oh, tweji, tweji, as in piglet. Tweji, tweji, pig. All right. And then we have horiti, horiti, and kyohue, kyohue, kyohue. The episode ends here, and I hope you have managed to keep the pace alongside with me. If you would like to learn Korean but never quite had the courage to start learning it, I hope that this series will demonstrate to you that it's not an impossible mission. Tell me in the comments section what your favorite method to learn a foreign language is. See you in the next episode.